What if there was a simple way to feed families, support ministries, and share the gospel of Jesus Christ all at once? Introducing Cooking for Life, a beautifully crafted cookbook with a powerful mission. Every page is filled with world-class recipes, tested and loved by families. But behind each recipe lies something far greater. Each cookbook sold helps fund faith-based women's pregnancy centers, offering high-resolution ultrasounds while providing comfort and hope in a safe and confidential environment. It's also a tool for outreach, a conversational starter that sits in plain sight, opening doors to share the hope and the love of Jesus Christ in a gentle and invitational way. And it's a fundraising powerhouse, equipping your church or organization to raise support while spreading faith, compassion, and connection. Because everyone eats, everyone shares recipes, and every meal can become a moment of ministry. With Cooking for Life, you're not just cooking, you're standing for life. You're serving with love and sharing the gospel one meal at a time. Cook with a purpose, serve with love, and stand for life.